All right, this is going to be Call Me the Breeze by Lynyrd Skynyrd, of course written by the great Cale. We're going to start out with this big slide up and down the neck, aim for like the 16th fret of the E string. That's our basic first rhythm. So you could get it like a separated A bass in this chord. Or you can kind of hit them at the same time. Sounds pretty cool when you do it where you separate those though. You got the bass, chord, bass, 5-2, and then we have like an open, and then a pull off, 3 open, little bend on that G back here. Bass first and then those 5s, so we got. And that was a 3-4 in the A, 2-4 in the D, so we got. And then the third time, get into a little fill in here. So that'd be bending the 4 up on the G string, get the 5 underneath it on the second string and bend it down. A couple bends on that 4 there, so this would sound like. So that kind of resumes and that finishes up your intro. So we're gonna have we get into the verse, we're gonna have a. It's kind of a 5-5-2, 5-2. So we're gonna get into this D chord. You can have like a kind of a honky tonk thing, or you can just kind of play this power chord. Kind of a walk up into the second time through. So. Little chromatic walk down. So that walk up was like 0-3-4 in the A into the D again. 5-4-3-2 with your power chords. We get into the E chord here. Kind of hammer that 9-11 on the D. You got 9s, 8s, and 7s to the D chord again, so that's from E to D, kind of turn around. And at the end of that D measure, got a little bend on that 3rd fret of the A. And then you'd be in the next verse, so you got. And they've got the D. E. Okay, then we're into the solo. So this is all kind of Gary Rossington's parts on this lesson here. So the solo rhythm behind his solo is going to be like one of these honky tonk things. We can come up here in this A up here. We got. So we got. Got to jump up to that 10 there on that last one. So we got. Do this 4 times. Down to the D. Walk down. E. Okay, so that'd be once through the whole 12-bar blues right there. So let's try that again. A 1, 2, 3, and. D. Walk down. Okay, now we're going to do Gary Rossington's solo. So it starts out with... Okay, so we got these 7 type chords, A7 chord, A flat 7, A7. So what we're doing the first time, sliding into the 9 with the middle finger and the G string. Okay, so it's like 5 sets of that kind of thing. We got 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of just do 2 notes on that one. Then we're gonna do the same thing sliding into the 8, 7, 8. Then when we go back up to the 9, 8, 9, we're gonna go. So we have 3rd string, 1st, 2nd, 1st, and each time we're gonna slide back in. So it's. Okay, so all together you got. Okay, so it's like 8 sets of that thing. And then we're gonna move on to the next riff. We got. So slide into the 6, and then 5, 5, and then 8 to 10 on the second. Then we have a bend on the 8, 10 up here. We got. So we got. And then we're gonna jump down here and do a half stepper. We got 5, and then a little half step bend up and down on the 7. Then 8, 5, go to the 5 here, and then 8, 5, pull off. We're gonna have 5, 8, 5, bend the 7 on the G string. So bend up and down on the 7, 5 to 6, and then we're going. And that will become a repeat riff also. So we have 7, 5, 7, little bend on these 5s on the G and B. So you do like 5 of those, and it's gonna end with. So we go 7, 5 on the D, and then we get into a repeating riff. We got 7, 5, 3 on the A, and this will kind of start a new one. 5 to 7 to 5. So we got 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 3. And that'll end with 5, 3, 5. So all together the solo we got. So after we go bada boom. Okay, so let's look at all that again with that. 3, 5 to 7. And that was 5, 7, 7 on the A, back to that 5. So slide from the 7 to 9 on the A. 2 7s here. So. 9, 7 again. And that was 9 to 11 on the D. 9, 11 G. Okay, so we got. So slide up. Got 11, 10. So 12 up and down, pull off. 12, 10 again. 11, 10 again. So we got. So you end up doing that bend thing. 12 on the B string, 12 underneath it. You're gonna do that for 4 bars straight. So it's a long, long time on that. And it's finally gonna end with. So 3 bends on that as a chord. So we got a bunch of bends on these. We got, and then you're gonna go little string 12, bend it down. You got bend on the 12 in the second, 10, 12, 10 after that. Bend on the 12 in the second, 12, 10. So that's gonna end like a. So dum da dum. This is kind of get towards the end of it. It's gonna get like a 10, 11 to 9. Take that 9 down to the 7, 5, 7. That little chord. And then we're gonna jump up here like to the 18 with your middle finger. So we're gonna have a series of bends. 19th fret of the G, doubles on the 17 on the B. And then we're gonna get into a. So we're bending the 19 and going 17, 17. There's like 5 sets of each of those like repeating riffs. And then it's gonna end with. So that was a little bend on the 7. Pull off. That's just like we did before, so. And this is gonna end with 7, 5, 7, 5, 3, and then 3, 4 to 2, 4. And then bend on this 4 in the G. So. Ends like that. So let me give the whole thing a shot here. So we got. Next verse. And now at the end of the song, it's gonna stop on that D, and you're gonna have a walk up. So that's A, C sharp power chord, 4th fret, D, D sharp, E, and then you're gonna end with a B flat 7 to an A7. Mr. Breeze. Okay, so I might do another lesson if you guys want and get into the Ed King fills around the verses and stuff. There's a lot more great guitar stuff going on in this tune. And there's also like a thing like some cool riffs that go behind the piano solo. So I might look at all that stuff next. If you guys want, let me know what you think. And so I got 2 pages of tabs for this. Call Me the Breeze by J.J. Cale, Lynyrd Skynyrd's version, Ripp and Gary Rossington stuff. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.